The last topic is saving. Remember to save your work often. Saving frequently reduces the risk of losing your work you have been doing. To save the Illustrator document, do the following. Click on File on the Menu tab. Choose Save. Navigate the place you would like the document to be saved on your PC using a drop-down menu or navigation window. You can choose here. Enter the name of the document in the Save as Text field. Choose a format to save the project in from and the format from down or the Save as type. Uh, Click Save button from the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Make sure that your document is saved in the place you extended.